Ow! Crushed it. Oh, no information there. Alright, I nailed it. I literally feel so dumb right now. Hello, happy 420. Today, I figured I'd take you all on a little bit of a vlog for what I'm gonna do. I'm getting vaccinated today, so that's exciting. It's currently 8:30-ish in the morning. I have to get ready for work. I'm redoing a kitchen today, so we'll see how that goes. And then I get vaccinated in the afternoon, so very exciting. But right now I have to feed the doggy. So I'm gonna go and do that right now. Hey. Sit. Down.
She tried. At least, you know, she...
Sit. Down.
Talented, brilliant, incredible, amazing.
Good girl. And... okay. She doesn't want it.
No, I don't think you understand. I'm disgusting.
She doesn't want it. Okay, looks like she went to the bathroom. She's so cute. Remy!
They ask you how you are, and you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
I'm gonna collapse.
I always feel bad leaving her in here. Come on, you'll see someone in a little bit. I love you. It's literally so tragic. She gets so excited because she thinks that we're going outside, like for a WALK. And so she's like jumping on you, and then she figures it out, and then she just like sits there and cowers and like doesn't make eye contact with you because she's so sad that we're now leaving and I have to stick her alone in that room. Breaks my heart.
I got a heart attack.
But now I'm late for work. That's like a 20-minute drive, so. Bye. Okay, I made it to work. I should say I'm not late. I was given the option between 9 and 9:30, and I chose the option that's closer to 9:30. Anyways, it's 9:20 right now. Just got here. I'm probably not gonna film when I'm inside because that'd be weird. I might show you like a before and after of like what we get done today, but I'll see you in several hours when I leave early to go get my vaccination.
Wanky. Wanky.
Oh,
you mean
wanky. Yeah.
Update, the cabinets don't fit through the door. So that's gonna be fun. We're gonna figure out a different way. This one is so fucking heavy. Oh my god! Wow! Oh my god! Just got home. I'm about to take a shower and like change and stuff, and then I'll head down to AC to get my vaccination. But apparently, so my sister just got it earlier today. And apparently I could have gone to get the vaccination with her.
Is that true?
It's very true.
Like we had two different times, like hers was at like 9 o'clock or 10 o'clock and mine is at 3. But like when she was checking in, they were like, oh, like is John here too? Like, you're both here? She's like, oh no, it's just me. And so apparently I could have gone like earlier this morning to get it done too.
I am fucking fuming!
Oh well, and we could have gone together, oh well.
All right.
But apparently she has an ocular migraine, so like she's fine and she can't see anything. So that'll be fun. Anyways, I'm gonna go take a shower, get changed, and then I will get back to you. Okay. I just took a shower. I'm gonna do my skincare. Gonna put on a cute outfit to get vaccinated. in. But yeah, it's about 1:15 right now. I should probably leave around 2, maybe a little bit before 2 o'clock. So I have like 30 to 40 minutes before I have to go. Ooh, I'm excited. Okay, so just finished my skincare, brushed my hair. Now I have to figure out what I want to wear. But the real question is, should I wear shorts? Because it's like 70 degrees out. Like, should I take advantage of the beautiful weather and wear shorts outside? I don't know. Like, it's very nice out. So, should I do it? I don't know. All of my shorts are inside this box, so I have to unpack that now. Okay, upon initial inspection of opening the box, I don't know if my shorts are actually gonna be in here. Uh-oh, I see some shorts. Woohoo! Okay, found all of my shorts. Now, which ones should I wear? Okay, about to head out to Atlantic City to get my vaccination. I'm not gonna do anything while I drive. But one thing that I was nervous about, I haven't eaten anything today, really. So I have like a little snack with me, but I was like, should I eat? Because I don't want to get nauseous and then throw something up. So is it better if like I don't eat and then I'm not nauseous, or I don't eat and then I'm dry heaving? We don't know. Okay, I'll keep you posted. Okay, just made it to Atlantic City. I'm like sitting in my car waiting for my time. Although I think, yeah, I can go in like 2 minutes. So, we're very excited. I literally forgot my mask.
No ma'am.
I forgot my mask.
No ma'am.
I mean, I have like backups in my car, but I literally like,
No ma'am.
I literally forgot like
No ma'am.
my mask to come here, which is freaking crazy. That is cuckoo for crazy town. Anyways, woo, I'm so excited. Okay. Ah! Bow. Crushed it. Oh, no information there. Alright, I nailed it. I literally feel so dumb right now.
Okay.
So I walk into this room, immediately whip out my phone and take like a whole video of just like panning around to like show y'all. Some man from the National Guard comes up and is like, hey, you can't do that, delete that from your phone twice. He was nice, whatever. He was like, delete that from your phone twice. And I was like, oh, okay, sorry, I didn't know that. Meanwhile, like, I didn't know, like, apparently you're not supposed to take videos in there. Meanwhile, I took videos the entire time I got my first shot. Shh, don't tell anyone. So fun fact about me and this cute guy. We parked like 2 spaces away from each other. We have very similar looking cars, like black hatchbacks, and we walked in at the same time, we were walking out at the same time, and without paying attention, I tried to get into his car. I like walked over to it, I used my keys to unlock it, and I started pulling at the handles before I realized that that was not my car, and he was standing like right behind me, watching me try and get into his car, and it was super awkward, and I was very embarrassed.
I'm a dumbass. I'm a dumbass. I'm a...
There's that. I got it. I feel good. Should I go and get some food? Should I go and eat somewhere, or should I go home before like the symptoms happen? I don't know. I haven't eaten anything today. I feel fine, but that's because I just got it like 15 minutes ago, so like the symptoms will come later, and I have to drive home for like an hour. I'll get food somewhere closer to my house. Yeah. Okay. Very excited! Woohoo! Okay, bye. Okay, so life update. I made it home. I've been home for about, I don't know, I've been home for like an hour or two maybe. I feel totally fine actually. Like I don't have any symptoms. I'm a little bit tired and I don't know what to do. I just grubhubbed some tacos, so I'm excited for that. So hopefully that food will get here within the next hour. But I have a job interview on Thursday that I could prepare for right now. Or I could do something fun and like not prepare for it. I could like sleep or lay down on my bed and stare at my phone for the next 17 hours. Decisions. Or I could finish one of the YouTube videos that I have to like finish filming. I don't know. I'll let you know when I decide. I think I'm gonna take off my shoes and lay in my bed for a little bit. So that brings up an excellent point though. So, halfway through, you're into the book and she's like, I know what you are. And he's like, say it out loud, blah, blah, blah. That brings us into what is the climax of the movie? Because the main conflict of the movie is James after the baseball game. So like, would killing James be like the climax of the movie? Or would the baseball game be the climax of the movie? Because that's like once like the action starts. I got a lot of questions, Aiden. And I need you to answer them for me. But it looks like you're not going to. Which makes me angry. Anyways. Makes me want to hurt someone. Makes me want to punch a wall.
Call the police. We need to call the police.
There's like no juice in this lime. Also, they gave me four tortillas and 3 slices of lime. What am I supposed to do with my final dry ass taco? There's gonna be no flavor. Where's the flavor?
The flavor, oh my god, it's so real. Like,
also, is this the cheese that you like crumple up? Aiden. Oh, I'm trying to. It kind of feels like tofu a little bit.
That's not that much cheese.
But I think it's cheese.
Yeah.
As y'all can see, I just ate din din. It was yum 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 delicioso. But now I don't know what to do. I feel totally fine. I don't like have any symptoms or whatever. So very grateful for that. I don't know. I don't really want to prepare for this interview anymore. I don't want to do any research. I think I might just like lay in my bed. That's me on my 21st birthday.
Clap if you care.
That's me on my 23rd birthday.
Clap if you care.
And that's me Thanksgiving at 19. Heyo. So fun fact, I laid on my bed and I accidentally took like a 3-hour nap. Now it's 9 o'clock at night and I still have no symptoms, but it's 9 o'clock at night and I have nothing else to do. I'm currently doing a crushed white strip on my teeth. But yeah, I already ate dinner, so I'm not hungry. But I guess I'm just gonna do some research on like the company for the interview on Thursday. I don't know. I was hoping to finish this other YouTube video. I really should have done that. My vest one. Oh well. Okay. Oh well, okay, bye.